Hey everybody, I'm here today with a Ryobi Leaf Blower tutorial. I'll be showing you and telling you how to use it, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is the Ryobi Leaf Blower, and this is the newer style leaf blower, the one that has this type of battery here, the 40-volt battery that's sort of long and flat. I myself, this is my dad's leaf blower, to be honest with you. I myself have the older style that has like it's still a flat battery, but it's like the shorter flat battery style. And this is my dad's, and I absolutely love it. So I figured I'd do a video on it, and I'm probably gonna end up, getting one of these myself in the future because it's so great, to be honest with you. So it's really easy to use, okay? First and foremost, to remove the battery, there's a little lever over here. You're gonna kind of have to press that in, and just give it a little bit of a wiggle, I guess. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to be easier or not, but it's not that hard, but you just got to give it a little bit of a wiggle and the battery comes out easily, okay? And then to push the battery back in, it obviously is shaped in a way that it only goes in one way. You just push it in and pop it in place, okay? And like I said, when I took it out, I had to give it a little bit of a wiggle. I don't know if that's just how it's designed, which is totally cool. It wasn't hard by any means. It was still easy to take out. But basically, I don't know if it's, because maybe my dad dropped it or if that's just how it is, but it's good because, the battery's not going to be coming out by itself. So once again, to remove the battery, you just push that lever in, give it a little bit of a pull, just like that. Comes out, as you can see, really easily. And then to put it back in place, you get it in the right direction and orientation, and then push it in place till it clicks. Now, to use the leaf blower is really easy. There's essentially two buttons. The first button is over here, which is going to be your regular blowing, and then the second one up here is the turbo button. It gives it extra power. So I'll just do the regular blowing like this. I'm going to just hold it down, and you'll see I'm just going to do it against the garage door. So I'm holding it down, and it's pretty powerful, okay? And I even felt like some sort of suction. So like as I was using it, right, it sucked up my shirt, right? So this, it's getting air from here and moving that air. I believe that's how it works. So I felt some sort of suction. I'll show you one more time. When I hold down that regular button, okay, you can kind of see it's sucking up my shirt over there. Okay, you saw that over there. I'm sorry. I got a little bit scared because I saw something pop out. I didn't know if it was a mouse, but it's just a leaf, a couple leaves that are blowing around. Anyways, so that's the regular way. Now, the turbo button, it just takes it to a whole new level. So to use the turbo, you want to basically press the regular trigger and then press the turbo at the same time. So check it out. I'm going to press the regular trigger, and then now I'm going to press the turbo. It just literally just rips. It rips in terms of how much air it moves. It's crazy. So listen one more time. Regular, and I'm going to push the turbo. It literally just goes. And I'll show you, I'm going to try and put my shirt closer to show you how much more air it moves. So just give me a moment. I'm going to press the regular, and now the turbo. I'm like, oh, look at that. Look at that. So a really good amount of air movement. And that's basically how to use it. Obviously, there are other little things you can do with it in terms of how you use it, but for the most part, I'm assuming that you just want to know the basic functionality of putting the battery in, taking the battery out, using it, and using it at its full power as well. And I've told you exactly how to use it. Really easy to do. And yeah, that's basically it. I've gone over the basics of it in this video. I tried to make it as easy and straightforward as possible, and hopefully, like I said, I tried to make it as easy and straightforward as possible. So just literally as simple and straightforward as I could possibly make it, and hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.